Welcome to my review channel SoftSpot Reviews. Today we are talking about AI Agents 2.0, AI Image Art Generator, Silver Information. You looking for a way to create stunning images for your website, social media, ads, or blog? AI Agents 2.0 has got you covered. Imagine generating high-quality images with just a keyword. No more overpaying for stock photos on sites like Shutterstock. AI Agents 2.0 offers a revolutionary AI image generator that can create any kind of image in seconds. AI Agents 2.0 is designed to make your life easier. You can create and sell high-demand AI, images, videos, art, graphics, and much more. Whether you need an image for a social post, an ad, a blog, or your website, AI Agents 2.0 can help you generate the perfect image for free and sell it for up to $200 each to your clients. Using AI Agents 2.0 is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, download the tool. Next, imagine and generate the image you need. Finally, sell it to your clients. You can bypass expensive sites like Shutterstock, which can charge up to $500 for a single image or video. With AI Agents 2.0, you can save costs and download premium HD quality media files in seconds. AI Agents 2.0 offers unlimited AI images. You can create amazing AI art by simply inserting a keyword. The AI Prompt Recommender helps you create even better AI art by suggesting optimized prompts. You can generate up to 10 different images with no extra work. Need to remove a background? No problem. Agents 2.0 allows you to do that in just a few clicks. You can create attention-grabbing images for any offer and niche. Enlarge any image to high resolution with zero quality compromise. The built-in image editor and designer allow you to edit and manipulate images on the go. Stop paying huge monthly fees to third parties. With AI Agents 2.0, you don't need prior tech or marketing skills. It's user-friendly and efficient. AI Agents 2.0 works in 3 simple steps. First, enter a keyword. This can be any word or short phrase like sunset or mountain landscape. Second, select the style, medium, mood, and image size. You have many options to choose from, including abstract, realistic, 3D render, cartoon, and more. You can also select different mediums like acrylic, canvas, chalk, and watercolor. Third, input the desired image size and publish it in seconds. You can select different image styles such as abstract, realistic, 3D render, cartoon, and anime. Choose the medium from options like acrylic, canvas, chalk, charcoal, classic oil, crayon, glass, ink, pastel, pencil, spray paint, and watercolor. The mood options include angry, aggressive, boring, bright, calm, cheerful, chilling, colorful, happy, dark, neutral, and priceless. You can also choose the image size, ranging from 1024 x 1024 to 256 x 256. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Agents 2.0 is available now. This tool disappears once the timer hits 0, so act fast. Look at the visually appealing AI art and images generated using AI Agents 2.0 in just 5 seconds. With AI Agents 2.0, you get exclusive benefits like creating amazing AI art by just inserting a keyword. The AI Prompt Recommender helps you create even better AI art. You can generate up to 10 different images with no extra work. Remove backgrounds from any image in a few clicks. Create attention-grabbing images for any offer and niche. Enlarge any image in high resolution with zero quality compromise. The built-in image editor and designer allow you to edit and manipulate images on the go. Stop paying huge money monthly to third parties. AI Agents 2.0 is backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. AI Agents 2.0 offers 2 plans. The Silver plan gives you 500 AI images, while the Gold plan provides unlimited AI images and 500K recurring AI credits. Both plans offer features like creating AI art with a keyword, AI Prompt Recommender, generating up to 10 images at once, background removal, high-resolution enlargement, built-in image editor, and more. Get instant access to AI Agents 2.0 Graphics Creator now and start creating stunning visuals that sell. Thanks for watching the SoftSpot Reviews channel.